Hi everybody, today we're doing an unboxing. So I haven't shopped in Louis Vuitton for, I want to say almost a year now. Say hi.
Hi.
Almost a year, if not already been a year. But this has been the new hype it bag that's surrounding all of the internet. And I fell for it too. So this is a gift from my husband for Mother's Day. We're gonna do the unboxing. I'm gonna do a quick reel and then add that to my unboxing, or short, sorry. I already took off the ribbon, so it's not something I'm fiddling with, but look how big this box is. It is massive. But yes, this is the new it bag of the season, or what have you, at least in my opinion, because it's all over my For You page and it's just everywhere. Oh, I'm over here holding it upside down. It's got this little box thing and you just kind of hook the box in. Look how cool that is. I really like that because usually it's just, I'm not trying to get the box up there, but it doesn't look like that typically. And I had my essay. Yes! Wrap it up with some tissues for me because they don't typically do that, at least not when I buy other things. Here is the dust bag. Any guesses? Put them down below. To reveal, I got the Louis Vuitton Speedy Crafty Soft 30 with the charms. This comes with the Paris boarding pass, a red clochette, and this little gold trunk, which is so cute. And it also has a lock that's in a dust bag right now. What really sold this bag for me is this shoulder strap. If you guys are not aware, this is the only bag, as well as the looping, that has this type of shoulder strap. I did try on the looping. That one fit really comfortably against my body. I just didn't like that the charm, I'll put a photo somewhere, I didn't like that the charm was right in the center. It just was throwing me off and I didn't really like that very much. I also like the strap, but I probably would have preferred a leather instead of the jacquard cloth adjustable one. But anyways, this is the only strap that this bag comes with. This is a very slouchy bag. At the moment it is stuffed with tissue paper, but oh my gosh, I love her so much. So I am, let me do some more cuts. I am 5 foot for reference. This is where the bag lays on me. So as you can see, this is my hips, or this is my waist and this is my hips. So it hits me right at the hip. The bottom of the bag hits me right at the hip. If you guys watched my previous video about my Chanel 25, I was saying how it hits me below the hip, and here's like a quick comparison. I am going to do a comparison video between these two bags because I feel like they're the new it trendy bag and must have shoulder bag between both brands, in my humble opinion. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my unboxing. Please follow me on all my socials down below. I will link them all in the description. Bye! Please subscribe.